I use Mink Oil on my Red Wing boots unless it's prohibited by the manufacturer. So now we'll continue with the process. Apply Mink Oil to the boots. We'll see the difference in color. I have both boots clean, new from factory without any finishes, and we'll see the difference Mink Oil makes to this Briar Oil Slick leather. And I don't apply much, it's small tiny pieces that I apply to the leather. Always apply Mink Oil to the boots because first of all it protects it from the water outside, and second of all it makes leather more, I would call it more pliable, more soft. It's easier to break in the boots when they have number of protectants on them. Just because these boots made 6 years ago, and I have no idea how long this leather were sitting in a warehouse before the boots were made. And I know these boots will have lots and lots of scratches. Because kids don't honor their boots unless kids very pure and don't have any other boots. But at this age, in this era of consumerism, we're trying to give them everything they want just because we never had it. I wish I could have such boots when I was young. My boots were made in Soviet Union by some footwear manufacturer. It was handmade boots, but it was the years when everything was done from what we have. They were black on rubber sole, hard as shit. Impossible to break in. And I was not happy. Hell, I was angry as hell. Just because other families has more money than we do. And we didn't have much, because my father, for example, worked on a factory making some he was making some radio transmitters for army, so there were no much money. So here you have the 8196 oil Briar Oil Slick leather under Mink Oil. It's shiny as hell. Subscribe to the channel. Show me what you think with likes or dislikes, and we'll see you in the next video.